Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Juke engine oil. Start by warming the engine briefly for 3 to 5 minutes, then park on level ground and set the parking brake. Locate the drain plug and oil filter under the car, and prepare an oil catch pan. Use jack stands if you need extra clearance. Always wear gloves and eyewear, and clean any spills promptly for a safe, tidy job. Begin draining by removing the oil filler cap to ease flow, then position your drain pan under the oil pan. Use a wrench to loosen the drain plug, then fully remove it while keeping hands clear of hot oil. Allow all oil to drain until the stream reduces to intermittent drops. Inspect the drain plug washer and clean the area around the oil pan before reinstalling to avoid leaks and ensure a proper seal. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you work under the hood, and it fits in most cup holders, making long maintenance sessions easier. I find it handy during oil changes when hands get greasy and water is far away, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After draining, locate and remove the old oil filter while keeping the drain pan underneath to catch spills. Check that the old gasket did not remain on the engine, then coat the new filter gasket with a thin layer of fresh oil. Screw on the new filter by hand until snug, then give it an extra quarter turn. Reinstall the drain plug with its washer and torque to spec to prevent leaks before adding new oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.